Asia's largest mall is coming up in Hyderabad at the cost of environmental degradation. The state government, however, has rubbished the charges.
Asia's largest mall in the making in Hyderabad. But this construction project of Congress MP Lagatapati Rajagopal's company Lanco Hills facing massive criticism from locals as well as environmentalists.
We are at the construction site of Asia's largest mall. This mall is being constructed on a lake bed and a road has been constructed to lead to the mall after illegally encroaching this lake. While the residents fear for their safety, the experts say that this is a disaster in the making.
These lakes were designed to keep as a buffer during a flood, heavy flood, as a short storage and then organized flowing down the channels. With the in-channels and the outflows being blocked, it would threaten the safety of the prospective residents and ourselves.
Artificial shortening of the lake to facilitate the construction of the mall has invited massive opposition from the locals.
There was an article that as though Lanco has deposited or encroached upon the government land, which was not the fact, but the fact is that some deposit has been there in the government land, which was immediately removed. So that's the issue.
But even as activists drew the government's attention to the issue, they claimed collusion of the administration with the builders.
If the dumping had not been there, then that would have provided further space for water to spread out. So which means the dumping has been done in the lake area, and this is a way to shorten the lakes, to shrink the lakes and cut them to a smaller size. So that's a clear evidence.
In the backdrop of the recent environmental disasters, especially the floods in Uttarakhand, the question is, can the government allow such brazen violation of environmental norms? Bureau Report, Times Now.